Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to be looking at this bull market scalping strategy, and of course with this strategy you will be able to make tons of money with your small account. And this strategy is very effective and it's good to use, especially for beginner and those who want to grow their small account. So stay tuned, watch this video to the end, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Anytime we post new strategy, you guys will be aware. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, please, and please make sure you do that. So let me show you guys the settings for the strategy, then we dive into how the strategy works. Okay, so to set everything up, just have to go to this icon you are seeing at the top. So when you click on it, the first indicator is the moving average. And if you add this up, you click on this F icon right here. So for the moving average, period is 15, shift is 5, method is simple, apply to close, using style of your choice, and click on save. Okay, so for the ADX, click on this effect right here. So the ADX, we do need the parameters, but what we need is the levels. Okay, and the 15 and the 12 levels, go back and click on save. Now for this also oscillator, click on this effect right here. So you don't need anything from the oscillator, just make sure you set the volume down and up as your background color. Go back, and then for the moving average, click on this effect one. Now the moving average, the period is 2, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to previous indicators data. That is why we need the oscillator, and click on save. Now for the next indicator, which is the moving average, click on this F icon right here. And for the moving average, the period is 13, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to previous indicators data, use any color of your choice, and click on save. So that is what we need when we want to use this strategy. Okay, so what are the things that you need to see, and what do you need before you take any trade with this strategy? Okay, I'm talking about the confirmation and the patterns that you want to see before you take any trade with this strategy. Firstly, I like to make sure that before I take any trade with this strategy, I love to see that the true moving average is at the 15 levels of the ADX. Okay, so when it's at the 15 levels of the ADX, I'm looking for both of the moving average to cross before they go back inside the ADX. So I want to make sure that I see that, which happens right here. So I want to make sure that I see the cross happens outside the ADX line. Okay, when this happens, then I'm looking for a trade on my main chart, which give me the confirmation to take a trade. And what is that confirmation? I want to see where the price move above the moving average, which happens right here. So let me zoom so you guys can see. So which happens right here. So this is the candle that was responsible for a candle close above the moving average. So after I see this, I love to see another two candles, which make it three candles that I want to see before I decided to take a trade. Now my entries will be at this 8 candles right here. So this is the candle I'm going to enter my trade with, and I'm aiming to catch 20 to 30 candles. Then I close my position and wait for another trading opportunities. So that is how you use the strategy to take trades. Now let me go to crab boom so I can show you guys example on boom as well. Okay, so let's use this area as an example. Now remember what I told you guys. I want to see is that I want to see where I want to see a clean trade. Okay, so now on boom it's different from how you use the strategy on crash. Now here on boom, after we wait for the moving average, the blue moving average to cross, to come and touch the 85 levels. After we see that, we want to see it cross below the second moving average and inside the ADX line, which happens right here. After we see this, then we look into our main chart and we wait for a candle close. Now this is the candle that was responsible for a candle close right here, but after this candle close we could see a huge spike. Okay, that's why I always told you to wait for 3 candles. Now we wait again for a candle close, and then we enter right at this candle right here. So that's how the strategy works, and I hope you guys understand the strategy. If you understand, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.